Hello, everyone. My name is Ibrahim Mukaila, and I'm an instructor with Sacred Learning. In this video, I'll be showing us how can we use the non-default visual in Power BI. I have a nice report here that I've built. I have a report. I have things like my profit by my country, I have my sales price by my discount bound. I see a table showing the segment, the product, the units sold, and sales price with my profit. Now, I've seen a couple of segment and products here. However, let's say I need something that could do it like a kind of a search. I would like to search my segment by my segment and see the product that is related to that segment and see compare my unit price with my sales price with my profit with it. So I just want to do something. I can do a search on a text field. How do I do this? So basically, as a developer, the first thing you first look at is this is my visual plane. Is there any visual there that can do text visual? No. So how do I go about it in Power BI? So Power BI itself have what we call an app source where people who have the expertise build various kind of visualizations and put it there. Not business alone. Microsoft themselves invest in this and build a lot of visuals and put it there. But because this place can only take a limited number of visuals, so the most commonly used visuals is the one that is placed within Power BI desktop. So how do I get this visual? The first thing you need to do is you need to have an account with Power BI with Microsoft for you to be able to do this. If you see at the top here, if you have an account and you've signed in, you see your name right here. You see your name right here, and you will be able to if you are not signing, then you can now sign in and see your name. That's the first thing to do. The next thing you need to do here is to come to these three dots here that says get more visuals. So once you see that, click on it. It's going to tell you the couple of ways of things you can do with it. There's get more visuals, there's import a visual from the file, there's remove a visual, there's restore default visual. Let's start from the bottom. Restore default visuals means when I've imported various or I've deleted some visuals and I want to restore it back to the default visual that comes with Power BI by default, and I'm going to click on that. Remove a visual, what it does is it just take away a visual that I don't want up for me. While import a visual from a file is from this app source also. There's a website we can go to this app source and you can download this visual itself. So if you have a downloaded version of this app visual, then you can import visual from the file. But in this video, we're just going to be looking at the easiest way. The easiest way is to go through to that app source from this my Power BI desktop and import it directly into Power BI, so I don't need to go to a website and start downloading then importing. So I'm just going to click on get more visuals. Once I click on that, it connects to the app source with my account and I'm able to load the visuals in. Then I can look for the kind of visuals that I would be needing to do this. So the visuals is loading. Let's give it a couple of seconds. Let's give it a couple of seconds for the visuals to load. So here is the visual. There are a lot of them. Yeah, you see, I can have it sections to whatever analytics, advanced, change, whichever things category I believe my visual belongs to. I can just select and put. And also, if I just know the name, I can come here and type that name. What I need is my text filter. So I'm just going to type text. So it filter everything. You see, this is my text that I want to see. I can also scroll down to look at others, but this is what I need. So to bring it into Power BI, this I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, it loads that Power BI visual for me, and test me a little bit about the thing and tell me if I want to add it, if I want to download a sample and things like that. Yeah, I just want to add it to Power BI desktop, so I'm just going to click on this. So once I click on it, it loads that up and put it inside my Power BI desktop. Once it finish putting it in there, so it's going to give me a pop-up message saying I've successfully put this visual within my desktop, which is what we have now. Import successful. So I click on OK. So anything you import comes beneath here under these three dots. So if you see, this is my search visual that I just imported. So I'm just going to click on it. So it's going to come here, and I'm going to try and drag it a little bit to here and extend this, drag it up a little. Now I'm just going to go to my segment and then drag and put it here. So I have my segment. Now I can now search. Let's say I want to see the enterprise segment. I can just type enterprise and do enter. Then I'm seeing only enterprise segment. See, this is filtering this to the Instagram to the enterprise segment alone. Let's say I don't want to do this. I want to search by a product. So I'm going to copy this and paste to put it here. To clear this thing I've put here, I can click this thing and it clears it off and everything back to default. So here now, I want to change from segment to product. So I'm going to click on product and drag it here. And then I can say, let me say the product I'm looking for is called Velo. If I search this, so I can see all those products with the name Velo there. So this is how to use a non-default visuals within Power BI and how to bring them in.
See you in the next tutorial. Until then, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell to get updates on new videos, and share this video with your friends. Bye for now.